At the press of a button, Tristan Heitzman is engineering something unique.
Taking a giant chunk of metal and just turning it into something useful and functional. And it's really a test of what I can do in my own personal skills, because we do everything.
Tristan is working on his final semester project in the Hudson Valley Community College Center for Advanced Manufacturing Skills.
This will bolt onto a crankshaft.
The parts he manufactures this semester will be featured on machines far beyond the classroom.
They go to Dubai, Saudi Arabia, all over the country. It's just we're making parts and making something that other people use to make their money, make their living, and really just keeps the world turning, you know.
In this workshop, creativity meets reality.
They are graded on how well they manufacture their parts and if they hit their deadlines, just like they're going to be expected to do when they enter the workforce.
The opportunities and collaborations have been endless in this class, but none quite as impressive as these metal discs.
I was given a drawing, and then I manufactured these myself to prototype.
These discs will be outfitted on the ion beam accelerator at the University at Albany, which has commissioned HVCC to build the parts for them next fall.
They can have a sense of pride in it, and then they can go actually see it function. It's going to, not every college student gets to make parts for a particle collider.
What are these discs' purpose? Well, just ask the scientists.
And this button sits right behind that extension piece.
These parts are only a fraction of the massive metal-enclosed accelerator sitting just 20 feet underneath UAlbany's campus.
No one would even guess that any of this is downstairs, no less driving over it when they're coming to and from school.
With the need for new pieces and limited time to manufacture, insert HVCC in a mutually beneficial partnership.
Right? And that's what we thought when we set this up, that to give it a little meaning, give them a little experience in a real-world situation, and make it real.
And although Tristan, who's graduating this year, won't be part of that inaugural class designing the parts, he said the next group can really make a name for community college students.
That'd be cool. I'd like to do that this year if we could, but